years in a row, it's 11,000 people want to be in your seat. You were top of the class for us, so you should feel really, really good about that.
Couple pieces of advice. Talk to as many people as you can. Do your best to figure out what's happening in the group you're working on and see if you can add value. Ask tons of questions. That's really important.
I feel like every single time I talk to someone about this internship, I always have like the biggest smile on my face. And it's been an incredible experience. I feel like I've learned so much.
At Related, everybody is so accessible and you get to talk to some of the greatest minds in their field.
Treat people with respect no matter where they are in the system. The people part of this is critically important.
One of my biggest takeaways was the public-private partnerships and how important that was for a lot of the projects that we do.
Just to see the impact that this company has had on the landscape and the skyline was very memorable.
I had the opportunity to go on site in one of our active developments over in Michigan over the summer, and it was absolutely transformative.
The most exciting project that I worked on was the signage for Clash of the Kits, which was super fun to work on.
They always say like, leave it better than you found it. And I think that they really do that, where it's like you're making such a big impact on all these cities and all these different people's lives.
The ceiling on what we're able to learn this summer has really just been our curiosity.
When you become invaluable for the next meeting, that's when you become valuable and you become good at your job. And I think it just takes a while to figure it out.